Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our channel. So, today I will take you to my beautiful garden so you can take much more knowledge related to garden and ideas. So, let us begin. As you know, that gardens are wonderful space to express creativity and add personality to your spaces and areas. So here are the ideas. You can see this wonderful roses which is red. You can use roses as a piece of decor and can plant as much as roses in your garden. You can see this is paprika which I have grown in my garden. You can see how engaging and beautiful. I have both used flowers for decoration as well as vegetables for my garden. You can see I have used little pots for the garden. You can see these tiny flowers in the pots. You can use the unique old woods or vintage bucket. This is a garden plant which looks really amazing. You can also use stones as a piece of decor in your garden. You can also use large stones and rock for your garden decor to section a part of your garden. You can see this vintage buckets used for the flowers. These flowers don't have fragrance, but it acts as a piece of decor. You can also use hanging baskets for the flowers. These flowers and plants can come in various colors like pink, purple, red, or any color you want. You can get these pots. Look at these curvaceous plants. It is used for greenery purpose and also act as a decoration. Look how sharp its edges are, and it looks really beautiful. These are the tomatoes I have grown in my garden. You can sow the seed and get these seeds from your nearest nursery. Look how amazing. I water these plants twice a day, especially the tomato one, and it looks really beautiful. You can see I get my tomatoes from my own garden. You can see the seeds of your desired plants or vegetables in your garden. Look, this grass is growing, so I have to cut the section of the plants. I have put various kind of flowers or plants in the pots. This is the largest pot which has the long. Look at the size of the pots. You can also use space for the walking. For this, you can use tiles or something to put on the feet. Look, ladies, the hanging pots are looking really amazing, and it can be used as a piece of decor. You can see how well managed I have grown these flowers and plants. This is the view of my garden. Look how pleasant the vibe of this garden looks. This is the overall gardens I have grown past year. You can see, ladies, the veils and the colorful flowers. You can see this is red, purple, or pink. These small flowers enhance the beauty of your garden. You can see how pretty these gardens. Gardening is itself a very beautiful and time taking hobby. It takes your time in a well mannered, and you can see the results in weeks to months, but it looks really amazing. As you can see, the combination of flowers is looking really amazing, along with the lemon tree as well as veils. Look how beautifully I have grown the veil. The back wall, you can paint it or you can also take it as it is. This veil is really pretty and it has flowers all over it during the spring season. It only bore flowers in a specific season. This is a garden, ladies and gentlemen, I have grown. Thank you.